So these days we are learning the exception handling. Before that we learned the file handling. This is the tutorial on exception handling, and in the last tutorial we talked about the system defined exception handlings. Handling the system defined exceptions. So we will try our own exceptions and I'll let you know what is it. So let's start. Okay, so I'll write it down here. F equal to open. Obviously we are going to make use of the file handling in it. Okay, and demo.txt. Fine. And obviously I'm not opening it in any mode. Fine. And I'm going to write it down here. F.write hello there. Fine. And I would write down here, yeah, obviously this would come in my try block. I forgot to give that, and I will have to make the proper indentation. Okay, and now I will be writing it down the except block. Fine. I would be writing it here, print say something went wrong while writing file. Fine. And I would write it down here. Finally I would say print done. Fine. And f dot close. Now this done ये जो part है ये कभी भी execute होगा और close भी execute होगा. Okay, क्योंकि finally anyways it is going to get executed. So it would search for the demo.txt and it should do that, but let's see what happens. 3. Fine. And something went wrong while writing because we have not given any path over here, any mode over here. But if I say w, fine, and I will write here else print everything well. Fine. And then I would execute this. You can see here everything well. Okay, and anyways done is red. What is the meaning of this? There was no more given. Fine. And because of that it didn't allow me to write it down. Fine. And it gave me something went wrong. But when I change else part, in under else part I put everything well. Okay, and I change it over here with the W mode. It allowed me to write it down, that particular file, into that particular file, and something went wrong nahi aaya and everything well aaya. I'll just show you one more thing. I'll show you the demo.txt file, and hello there. Okay, so hello there has been written. So in this manner we can write down our own exception. Fine. Without giving any name, without giving any system defined exception. Okay, one more we will try. Then I would write here print y. Okay, y has not been defined anywhere. I would write here except print y not defined. Okay, and I would say here else no, I'll not write else now. I'll write finally. Fine. Print anyways executed. Fine. And I will have to execute this. So let's see what happens. EXEPN4. You can see here, oops, y not defined. Okay, because y has not been defined, so that's why it gave me an error. But if suppose I say y equal to 0, fine, and here I give else print no problem y defined, fine, and when we execute this will not get oops why not defined. We didn't get oops why not defined. Okay, np, that is no problem, why defined anyways executed. So in this manner we can give our own exception. So I hope the exceptions must be easier for you. You can try them with the file handling, you can try them with other topics also. We will try some more topics later where we are going to make use of exception along with the file handling. So please try, get back to me, and stay tuned. Thank you.